A yacht designer creates the plans and specifications for yachts, blending engineering with aesthetics. They design everything from the hull shape to the interior layout, ensuring the vessel performs well and looks impressive. This role requires strong design skills, creativity, and a solid grasp of naval architecture. You'll also need to be proficient in CAD software and understand materials, mechanics, and marine regulations. Yacht designers typically work in design studios, naval architecture firms, or shipyards. Some also work freelance, consulting on bespoke projects. Most enter the field with a degree in naval architecture, marine engineering, or yacht design. Work experience or internships with design firms are also a common route into the industry.